Hi, good day. My name is Antoinette Morgan and I'm from the Johannesburg Heritage Foundation and also from Friends of Johannesburg Cemeteries. And today I will be hosting a walk here in West Park Cemetery, although only a very small part of it because the cemetery is so big. I will be highlighting how the cemetery works with regards to the types of facilities, the types of areas that you get, how to spot the different types of burials that you have. And that is for people who are interested in finding family members and or doing genealogical research. I will also be covering people here in the high profile area just to highlight people. So most often we do talks on history, but more recent history and more recent people of more recent interest. I will be covering them here in the high profile area. Now, the type of people who come and join these type of talks are people who are interested in cemeteries, who wants to come to West Park but do not feel comfortable, do not understand necessarily how West Park necessarily works, and then they can learn from that. And it is vital that people visit the cemetery. You can't have the City Parks and Zoo, Johannesburg City Parks and Zoo would love people to spend more time in the cemeteries. And yes, you can't always do it on your own. You have to come in groups. But an introduction to what the cemetery is all about and what they can see, where they can go, what they can do, how they can understand how to work out, to find graves. Those are the type of people who would come here on a walk like this so that they can learn more about how a cemetery literally works.